先有请 Dr. Anthony Yan 致辞。Now let's welcome Dr. Anthony Yan give us some remarks. Let's welcome 有请。
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mayor Honorable Jackson and Dr. Berkman and Mrs. Berkman, and also Beverly McCall, who is assistant to the mayor. And we are honored to have many people here to participate in today's program. And as you know, this program also dedicated to the suffering of the people in earthquake. And as you know on the program sheets, we also turn over all the receipts to for the victim of the earthquake. So I hope you will be very generous of your donation to this event. Thank you very much.